Hello, I'm Jose Mestre from Physics and Educational Psychology. And the project that I will talk to you about today is a big collaboration and involves lots of people because we need expertise in things like psychometrics, quantitative methodology, physics learning, cognition. And you'll see as we go along what we're trying to tackle. So we're trying to improve test preparation in physics because we got a lot of students who are trying very hard and not doing well in the introductory physics sequence. They want to major in engineering and they can unless they do well in this course. So that's the problem we're trying to tackle, and we're learning that students are self-deceived about their exam preparation. So this person, the cartoon says, I'm ready, no lie. That's wrong. There should be a comma between no and lie. It's no lie. So students come in thinking that they're going to do well, and they don't. So what leads to this? Well, they don't self-evaluate. So we give them a lot of practice tests. They don't take them, so we don't know that they're going to do poorly if they take the real exam. We're dealing with low-performing students. There's a whole literature that says they over-predict their exam preparation. They come in thinking they're going to do very well, and they don't. Even after they finish the exam, you ask them, how did they do this? I did very well. They don't. So there's a big problem there. I didn't make this up. This really happens. Students study the wrong way. So what works in other fields is memorization and so on. It doesn't work for physics. We're trying to get them off of that. It works for them, so they can't give it up because it is doing well for them in biology and other things. And so bottom line, they confuse familiarity with the material with competence. So what's a cartoon say? Most about an AS, everything looked familiar. Well, that's not what it takes to do well. So the solution we're trying to accomplish is we first want to diagnose their preparation with computer adaptive testing because it's accurate, it's faster than taking a paper and pencil test. So we want to administer this test 2 or 3 times before the real exam. We should see increments in performance because we're also going to combine it with some interventions to see if we can remedy the actual deficits that we find. So the kinds of interventions we're planning is we want to provide the diagnostic information for student, now go study, or we want to provide the diagnostic information and some intervention to see if they're going to improve. And the types of interventions we're trying is multimedia worked out solutions of problems, or the previous followed by solving similar problems to see if they actually learned anything from these worked out solutions. Okay, so why might this work? Research says that there's a testing effect going on. You heard a little bit in one of the posters, but you've heard so much today you're going to forget. So if you test people a lot, it builds links between the knowledge and what you're trying to help and solve problems in. So what else? If we show improvements in the students, we give them realistic confidence, not this false confidence that they come in with, which I showed you earlier. And the interventions target the specific weaknesses, so we don't have to have students study things they already know. And we need to find the most effective way to intervene, so that's a big challenge. So here's more challenges. Will we be able to predict their exam performance accurately? I think the answer to that will be yes, probably. Can we break students' bad habits? That I don't know, because it involves a lot of years of doing things in a way that for them seems to work. Can we engineer interventions that work? That's again open to debate. We'll see if we can develop these multimedia learning modules that work. And is it transferable, if we are successful, to other STEM fields, chemistry, bio, whatever, engineering? And here it's in kind of hot pink because how do affective variables work? About things like metacognition, self-confidence. We're not dealing with that, but it's very important, I bet. But what can I tell you? That's about all we can do. So thank you.